buy you ladies a drink each?
Yeah?
You want something stronger?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
You twins?
No. Guess who's older, me or her? Bet you're older the size of that belly on you.
Hey, hold on. That's all muscle, love.
Here, muscle man, see if you can do this. Watch. Oh, no, my legs.
Yeah!
You can't be doing that in here, girls.
Why not? What hurt you doing?
Cut it out or get out.
Sure, they've done far worse and you still serve them.
Yeah, far worse.
You should go on now, girls.
We're not going anywhere. We haven't done anything wrong.
Someone shut that fucking hanging up.
You don't know who you're dealing with, wee girl.
Yeah, I do. 12th of July, 92. Busy day for you, wasn't it, Cherry?
My ma told me what you did. Our dad was one of the 26-year bomb killed.
She doesn't even remember him. And you lot got early release to keep the peace.
You might be a free man, Jerry, but you're still a murderer.
Emma!
You don't scare me, mister.
Do a
What are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do, huh?
Get the fuckers out of here now!
That's it, girls. Bye-bye.
Get the fuck!
Bye-bye, girls.